I'm feeding the cows. I'm feeding the cows. She's milking the cow. She's milking the cow. He's collecting the eggs. He's collecting the eggs. We're feeding the chickens. We're feeding the chickens. They're cleaning the barn. They're cleaning the barn. I'm planting corn. I'm planting corn. We're sowing the seeds. We're sowing the seeds. She's watering the plants. She's watering the plants. He's pulling the weeds. He's pulling the weeds. They're fertilizing the field. They're fertilizing the field. I'm driving the tractor. I'm driving the tractor. He's fixing the fence. He's fixing the fence. He is carrying a hay bale. He is carrying a hay bale. They are cleaning the stable.
They are cleaning the stable.
They're repairing the roof.
They're repairing the roof.
I'm feeding the sheep.
I'm feeding the sheep.
She's brushing the horse.
She's brushing the horse.
He's pulling the cow by a rope.
He's pulling the cow by a rope.
He's checking the pigs.
He's checking the pigs.
I'm guiding the ducks.
I'm guiding the ducks.
I'm picking apples.
I'm picking apples.
He's harvesting carrots.
He's harvesting carrots.
She's cutting the rice.
She's cutting the rice.
We're gathering potatoes.
We're gathering potatoes.
They're loading the truck.
They're loading the truck.
We're harvesting limes.
We're harvesting limes.
He's fixing the water pump.
He's fixing the water pump.
She's sharpening the tools.
She's sharpening the tools.
We're stacking the firewood.
We're stocking the firewood.
I'm building a new fence.
I'm building a new fence.
They are plowing the field.
They are plowing the field.
She's planting soybeans.
She's planting soybeans.
He's spreading fertilizer.
He's spreading fertilizer.
We're spraying the crops.
We're spraying the crops.
They're checking the soil.
They're checking the soil.
I'm feeding the ducks.
I'm feeding the ducks.
She's catching a chicken.
She's catching a chicken.
We're moving the hay.
We're moving the hay.